Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a free AI tool which will be very useful for our academic writing. So in this, it is having a chatbot and also it is having a Rephraser. You can access it for free. So it is an 100% free AI tool. So you can give any number of prompts you want and you can generate answer. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tool and how it will useful for our academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are offering internship program on two different sectors. First one is that MATLAB fundamentals for electrical engineering. So in this internship, you will be familiar about different types of basic simulating blocks and use it in MATLAB, and also you will know about the basic programming in MATLAB. So if you are interested in MATLAB fundamentals, to do register for this internship and you can get a 14 days internship program and also get a certification for this internship program also. So the next internship program is about enhance your research writing with best AI tools, as AI tools are evaluating nowadays, especially for our academic and content writing, especially for our research paper writing. So this internship program offers a best AI tools in market for your research paper and academic writing. So if you are interested in, so do register for this internship and know more about the AI tools for your academic writing. Thank you. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Regem AI. So it's an AI tool where you can use 100% for free and no login is required, and you can have unlimited possibilities, fast and easy to use. So here this is the dashboard and you can get the chatbot also. So here in this chatbot you can ask any questions you want, any research questions you want. For example, I am going to ask what are the trending research topics in computer science engineering. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So and then you can click on generate content. So it may take up to 3 to 30 seconds. So here you can see these are some of the trending topics in computer science engineering, so which includes artificial intelligence and machine learning, research in developing advanced algorithms for pattern recognition, natural language processing and computer vision. So next one is cyber security, third one is Internet of Things, fourth one is quantum computing. Next, fifth one is big data analytics, sixth one blockchain technology, seventh one cloud computing, so eighth one augmented and virtual reality. So these are the important topics which is a recent trends in computer science engineering. So you can ask this kind of question and also you can give research prompts also. For example, generate an abstract for the research paper titled IoT based home security applications. So like that you can give an input prompt. So next it will generate a abstract for this. So here you can see that the abstract, the integration of Internet of Things technology in home security system has revolutionized the way we protect our homes. This research paper explores the advancement and applications of IoT based home security system, focusing on their potential to enhance the safety and security of residential properties. So this paper begins with providing a perfect abstract will be generated here. So this will be very useful for students as well as research scholars. So you can use it for free also. So let us explore with some other things. So for example, so I am going to give three that is references. So paste the references here. So and give the input prompt from the above references, make a literature review. So like that you can give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So there is some issue related with this particular regime. So it will sometimes it may happen in this kind of AI tools, so but it will fix as soon as possible. So as far as this Regem AI is concerned, so it is generating a perfect content for our that is academic and research paper writing. So next you will be having another option called a rephrase option also. So you can copy and paste any content here, so automatically the content will be also rephrased. So here you can see that yes, our Regem AI again live now. So in this you can see that rephrase content. So here you can copy this content here. So here after giving rephrased, the rephrased content will be appear. So in this mode both PV and battery supplies the load. Instead in this operating state the load is powered by both PV and battery. So like that it will rephrase the content also. So this is how you can use this Regem AI to generate a better content for your academic writing and research paper writing. So these are some of the options, that is services provided by this Regem AI. So here you can see these are the Regem AI tool categories. So here we have used this AI writer in order to generate the content. So next we have used AI Rephraser tool. As like this, so you will be having another option called free AI based grammar checker. So you can use this option also to generate better content for your research paper. So these are the important options available in this Regem AI. So go on and check with your input prompts in Regem AI. So as it is given, it is you can use it for free. Sometimes it may subjected to that is the server may down. So after that it will come up. So we have checked again. So it is working now. So this is how you can use this Regem AI to generate a better content for your research paper as well as academic writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.